Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. And in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to earn money with AI tools 2026, a complete work there. So guys, as you know, AI isn't the future any longer. It's how people are actually making money right now. In this video, I'll show you how to earn money with AI tools in 2026, step by step. So, guys, the first step being picking one AI income skill. People fail to do this. A lot of people are rather hung up on how they can learn a couple of things in a short period of time instead of learning one thing and consistently practicing till you become the best on the space when it comes to that. The space being the internet or Twitter or whatever. Now, basically, when you want to pick an AI skill, an income skill, you could choose from AI content creation. So you can actually make short comedy clips using AI. You could make future realistic videos using AI, basically content creation, but everything is created by AI. Now, another AI skill you could try learning, which is monetized, is AI video editing. Yes, using AI to edit videos is quite possible. That is the case when it comes to CapCut. So, if you simply have CapCut on your computer, just simply download CapCut. If you've not downloaded CapCut, they have a free download option you can simply make use of or take advantage of and simply enjoy. Basically, besides that particular skill, another skill is AI design and graphics. That is when you simply take advantage of Canva. So Canva has an AI feature where you can simply type in what you want and it would bring your idea to life. Basically, if you scroll through, you can see you could even review a book with AI. You can create characters for a fantasy novel with AI. You can create a clay motion sequence for a kid's short. You could even design professional real estate listing ads. You could create a cinematograph for a music video. You could create a logo for an organic juice bar, as well as writing a tactical document for marketing campaigns. And also, you can generate workspaces. Basically, um, we have AI design graphics, we have AI video editing, we have AI content creation, and AI automation. Yes, you could use AI to automate whatever process you need done. You could also create AI chatbots for businesses as well. If you're not going to be on your screen all the time, you can have an AI responding and billing your clients as the case might be. Now, moving on to the next step, which is using free or low cost AI tools. So, some of the best AI tools you would find on the market would be ChatGPT or Gemini. Now, Gemini from Google is free, fast, and unlimited AI. It can actually supercharge your creativity, help you write a script, plan a party, get help with tough problems, help you with your programming, help you with whatever you need it to do for you. The Google Gemini would get it done. Now, another AI tool you can take advantage of is Notion. So it's basically one workspace, zero busy work. Notion is where your teams and AI agents can capture knowledge, find answers, and automate projects. Yes, you can actually automate your projects on Notion. All you need to do is sign up for Notion and take advantage of the AI workspace that works for you. Another AI tool you could try or enjoy is Canva AI. Yes, Canva AI, I had mentioned it earlier, but you could simply describe what you want and Canva AI would bring it to life. Now, the next AI tool you could simply make use of is CapCut. So, CapCut has an AI where you can turn your long videos into shorts and you could make use of Nano Banana, which is also available on CapCut now, and also the AI video maker, which would be in this case Nano Banana. You could use it to create content for your store. You can use it to create content and take advantage of it on whatever platform. Now, the next step is offering AI powered services. So you can turn tools into services like social media content can be created using Canva, blog writing can be done using Notion and Gemini, as well as short form video creation that can be done with tools like Banana. And resume and CV design belongs on Canva, as well as email marketing. You can do that both on Canva, Notion, and Gemini. And then finding your clients, I would like to point out that you can find some clients on Fiverr, Upwork, or Twitter, as well as Instagram DMs. And all of this can be done by simply showing samples, and AI would make it easier for you by curating your responses. And then also building AI digital products. So you can scale your income using AI prompts, templates, and ebooks. This can be done by just simply taking advantage of Gemini. You could become a proper prompt engineer when you take some courses and get a certification so you can earn more using the AI you've built. And then the last step is automating and multiplying. So you can use your AI to speed up your delivery, handle revisions, and create upsells. There are many platforms that integrate AI into their use cases, like Shopify and their AI, as well as other platforms that are responsible for CRM relations. And then, last but not least, scaling with content. So please try to create some content so you can actually have a working advertisement for the services you offer using your free AI tools. And that's it, guys. So comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.